Hi guys. So the question for the day, it is from pediatrics. What is the drug of choice for apnea of prematurity? A. Caffeine citrate. B. Theophylline. C. Aminophylline. D. Magnesium sulfate. So why I'm discussing this question? Because you all know this answer. It is caffeine citrate. No rocket science. I'm discussing this topic because this topic was asked in CMS Combined Medical Services Exam 2024 twice. There were two questions on this topic alone in CMS. So this becomes an important topic for NEET 2025 and INICET. So I just wanted to discuss this. So first, what is neonatal apnea? Neonatal apnea, it means cessation of breathing. It is temporary cessation for at least 20 seconds, or there's an or, for any duration which is associated with bradycardia or cyanosis. Now what is bradycardia? So in bradycardia, you have to say significant bradycardia means when the heart rate falls below 80 beats per minute. So there can be a number of causes for neonatal apnea, like neonatal sepsis, neonatal hypothermia, neonatal hypocalcemia, glycemia, and apnea of prematurity. And apnea of prematurity, it is a diagnosis of exclusion. First you have to exclude all the causes, and if there is no cause, that means the neonate, it has apnea of prematurity. So this timing is also very important. It occurs between day 2 to day 6, and if it is occurring before, on the day 1 or after day 7, there is some secondary cause. It is not apnea of prematurity. Some secondary causes there, like hyaline membrane disease can be there. So now this table, this small table has yielded us two questions in CMS 2024. So what is primary apnea? Primary apnea means failure to initiate respiratory effort at birth. It will respond to tactile stimulation. Here the heart rate is decreased, but the BP is normal. Heart rate is decreasing in the definition itself. In secondary apnea develops an infant who has initiated respiratory effort. In secondary apnea, you can learn like this. Both the things will reduce. Heart rate is also reducing, BP is also reducing, and it will not respond to tactile stimulation. So the first question in CMS was based on this. In primary apnea, what happens to heart rate and BP, and if it responds to tactile stimulation or not responds. And second question was like, if the apnea is not responding to tactile stimulation, then what kind of apnea it is? It is secondary apnea. So this becomes a very important table for future exams. Now apnea can be of two types, central or obstructive. Central, you all know from the word itself, you can make understand that central means the brain is not working. The brain is not initiating any respiratory effort, respiratory drive. And in obstructive, it means the brain is initiating the respiratory drive, just there is obstruction in the respiratory pathway, so the breathing cannot take place. Apnea of prematurity, it means it is mixed, both central and obstructive. What is the drug of choice? Drug of choice is caffeine citrate. It has to be continued till 34 weeks, and we have to stop this drug if apnea is free for 7 days. So this is all you need to know about, and especially this table for apnea of prematurity. Also, yes, aminophylline is also used in apnea of prematurity, but if drug of choice is asked, then we have to mark it as caffeine citrate only. And just for knowledge, theophylline and aminophylline, it is an important topic in terms of pharma. You should know these drugs, very important. And magnesium sulfate, if given to a mother who is hypertensive, can induce apnea of prematurity. So it can never be a drug of choice. It can induce apnea of prematurity in neonates. Thank you guys. Keep revising. Thank you.